Have you ever been to an RV rally or thought about going to one? We went to the National Indoor RV Rally at the Ridges Outdoor Resort in the Smoky Mountains. And we're breaking down why people love them, what you can expect, and whether it's truly worth your time.
We even take a ride through the Smoky Mountain National Park, so stay tuned. Hi, we're Roy and Crystal. We ramble around the U.S. in our Renegade looking for our next epic adventure.
Rinsing the pollen off peat before we head out.
We're heading to Sevierville, Tennessee in the Great Smoky Mountains. We're going to hit the twisties and do a little mountain riding because it's boring as crap riding in Florida. Our fluids have been checked. We can go ahead and put the bonnet back down. We are ready to roll.
We're rolling out of our Florida home base and pointing Pete's nose towards Tennessee. NIRVC rally, here we come. Every now and then, Cracker Barrel makes for a solid overnight stop. Can't show up to an RV rally with a dirty rig, so we made a pit stop at Blue Beacon for a quick wash.
Clean and back on the road.
After many construction delays on I-40, we finally pull into the Ridges Outdoor Resort in Sevierville, Tennessee. Hi, I'm Crystal.
And I'm Roy. And we finally made it to Sevierville, Tennessee to the National Indoor RV Rally. And we got here late, of course, because we had a lot of setbacks on I-40, a lot of construction through the mountains. But we got here, just got here late.
Luckily, we had some friends that were already here, so they picked up our name lanyards that also say that we are first-time attendees. It's our first national indoor rally. We've been to a rally before. They're all a little different.
Yeah, it's pretty cool because on the back of the name tag, they got a whole schedule of all the events and meals and that sort of thing for the rally, which is a neat idea. They do a really good job on these things. And they gave us this really cool knife block. Has the name on there for National Indoor RV Centers. No knives, of course. Every year you come, after your first year, you get a knife. So after a lot of rallies, you get a whole set of knives.
Motivation to come back.
Yeah, good idea. Motivate you to come back. While we have your attention, this summer we're taking our RV to Alaska. Milepost.
The holy grail for driving the Alcan.
Yeah, so anyhow, we're really looking forward to it. Should be a great trip. You guys are welcome to follow along on YouTube because we're going to be documenting the whole trip. Should be a fun trip.
It will be. We also got a swag bag. Pretty nice bag. Has a customer appreciation reunion and
Yep.
big bag.
And a really cool light. Pretty bright.
And mints.
And that was it.
Mints.
Oh, mints. Yeah, could use one of those.
That's our rig, Pete, on the left, and Max on the right is our friends from the Keys.
I was so nervous flying the drone around those power lines.
Those are the new coaches National Indoor brought for us to explore.
Yikes! The power line. Nobody was going hungry at this rally. Breakfast, lunch, and dinner was provided.
We're here at the National Indoor RV Center's 2026 Customer Appreciation Reunion. It's brought to you by National Indoor as a thank you to all their customers. We do it every year in April, and again, it's a special thanks from the owner, Brett Davis. So thanks for coming. We hope to see you again next year.
All right, ball is spinning. Table closed, no more bets.
We're not gamblers, but when they gave us $2,000 in chips, we figured, why not? I tried my luck at roulette while our friend played blackjack. I felt pretty good about not losing it all until we realized others were walking away with thousands for the auction.
13,100. He gave it up a 13-1. 13-1. He gave it up a 1-1. He gave it up a 1-1. He gave it up a 13-1. Set it right back there, 13,000.
Of course, Loki makes friends anywhere he goes. I struggle to walk and chew gum at the same time. Meanwhile, this guy's riding a unicycle and chatting on the phone like it's just another Tuesday. Local bourbon, moonshine, and rum. Complimentary specialty cocktails. And yep, a wine to go with it.
Moonshine. And that's the line for it.
First, Chuck Lastly spoke about fire safety and protang for fire detection and suppression. Then, Corey Gannon spoke about tires and Retrobrand front tire blowout protection. He even had a setup in the parking lot for installation at the rally at a discounted rate. The next day, founder of Bob Moses Ceramic Coating, Matt Moses, spoke about ceramic coating and the proper way to care for the exterior of your coach. Lastly, Robert Bernard from Freightliner did a presentation.
They also hosted a blackjack tournament, but we decided to sit that one out. This guy ended up taking the first place and walked away with $700. One evening, they had a really entertaining magician and comedian who put on a great show.
Whoa!
Pete just keeping an eye on things.
Hey there, we're Elaine and Bill with Fantasy RV Tours. Thanks so much for stopping by our table here. We do rallies and caravans for RVers all over the country. We go to Alaska, up to the Canadian Maritimes, even take folks down to the Baja of Mexico and all over the U.S.
And international. We have 4 international RV rallies.
Cool. All right. Thank you. This is one of the fancy campsites here at the Ridges Outdoor Resort. Very nice.
Oh.
This is one of the buildings with showers and laundry facilities, and up on the top level there's also a deli. Nice private shower room. This is one of the tiny homes that has a jacuzzi on the deck overlooking the pond.
Lazy River.
Lazy Riverin'. In the lazy river. He's back there somewhere.
We got a bunch of new rigs that National Indoor RV Center brought out for everybody to look at here at the rally.
This is the pool, bathhouse, and laundry facilities next to the event center. Registration area, arcade, and gym are all located on the bottom floor of the event center. All dressed up for Hollywood night.
I'm a superstar.
Yvette found her star. Since we were at a campground, not everyone went all out for Hollywood night, and that was part of the fun. Some people kept it casual in shorts, others dressed formally, and a few even showed up in costume as their favorite celebrities. No matter the style, everyone had a great time. They even had prizes for best dressed.
So here we go with our flappers. Okay, Marilyn. Okay, Elvis and Priscilla. Okay, so here. Congratulations. I've got gift cards for first, second, and third. $100 for third. There's $100 for you guys. We got $200 for second and $300 for third. You're so welcome.
Did you catch the quilt hanging above the stage? It was auctioned off to support the Ronald Reagan Youth Leadership Program, and it went for a jaw-dropping $16,000.
After the rally wrapped up, we stayed an extra day to enjoy the area and took a motorcycle ride through the Great Smoky Mountains National Park. Including the scenic Cades Cove Loop. It turned out to be a perfect day for a ride. Traffic jam. Must be a wildlife sighting. Park rangers arrived to help keep traffic moving, but we were able to pull off to the side of the road and watch the bears safely from a distance. There are tons of fascinating historic stops along the Cades Cove Loop, something we've explored before, but today was all about the ride and taking in the scenery. It was such a beautiful day that people were even getting in the water. Just look at all the folks out on the rocks, soaking up the sun. Hit that subscribe button and stay tuned, because this summer we're hitting the road in our RV and driving from Florida all the way to Alaska. It's going to be one incredible journey, and we'd love to have you along for the ride.